Okay, everybody, we're looking through the permutations and combinations part of the diploma prep package here. We're going to look at question 4. How many even 4-digit numbers can be made from the numerals 2, 3, 5, and 8, and 9 if repetition is not allowed? Now, the first thing I want to state here is that it is important for them to state that repetition is not allowed. Okay, here's an assumption that you need to walk into this with, that numbers, okay, numbers can be repeated unless told otherwise. Okay, so numbers can be repeated unless told otherwise. Letters cannot be repeated. Okay, so we're going to treat letters as if they are on Scrabble tiles. And you can't repeat that unless you had another Scrabble tile here. Numbers, on the other hand, we're going to assume that in most contexts the numbers can be repeated, so unless they tell you otherwise. Now, another thing that we want to know here is that we are given a restriction here. How many even 4-digit numbers can be made? So we're going to put these down like this. And what we're going to do here is we're going to start here. You have to start with the restriction. Okay? You want to start with the restriction. So because this has got to be an even number, what I'm going to do here is just take a quick look here. An even number could end with a 2 or an 8. So that gives me 2 options right there for that last digit. Once that choice has been made, now I can go back and look at the digits that don't have any restrictions specifically on them. I'm not allowed to repeat the digits here. There were 2 options here, but I had 5 numbers. So if I chose one for here, that leaves me with 4 to choose for the first position, and then 3, and then 2, and then 2 here. So 4 times 3 is 12, times 2 is 24, times 2 is 48. So there's 48 different numbers that we can make under those restrictions.